Hi everyone, on this video we will be installing Microsoft Power BI Desktop and then connecting it to the analysis cube, the tabular cube that we made on the last video. So from the Microsoft page here, let's go ahead and download. I will just select the normal version. Once that's complete, we can open it up and run it. Accept the terms. Next, here's where it will install it and create a shortcut. Okay, so it's complete. Let's go ahead and launch it. Now, once you get to this screen, you can either go and fill this out if you'd like to sign up, or we can get around this and just kind of dance around it. It's going to ask you again to sign in and just close out. So now we get this screen. And what we want to do here is click Get Data, because all we're concerned about right now is showing how this works. So from here, we want to connect not to the normal SQL Server database that we've done before, which you could do, after this video. If you want to play around, you could do that. But in this case, we want to go to the Analysis Services database because we want to grab the data from that cube that we built. Connect. Type in our server name that we've been using. And here we go. Demo tabular, model, and here are the tables we selected, and click OK. All right, so now it loaded it up. So if you look over here on the fields pane over here, it's going to bring in all of these columns. So we put together that cube and it makes it super easy to now have all these columns available to build all sorts of visualizations or whatever it is you want to do here. So think about if you were to make a really complicated cube, had a lot of tables, had a lot of data that you put into that model. You could then hand this off to some report builders or maybe some business intelligence developers or analysts, and they'll be able to build this for you pretty easily. So let's go ahead and make one. What we're going to do here is let's make a tree map. And what can we do here? Let's do the country. Model name. So you can search it up here, or you can just step through however you want. And let's do sales amount. All right, so check this out. This is pulling from the model that we built, and it's breaking it down. So we have a pretty nice visualization here of the breakdown by country, by model, and the size of these blocks are based on how much of the sales that they had. So let's say we wanted to add something else here. Let's see, what else could we do? Let's move this down. Let's make a card. So click away from it. You can add this guy in here, and let's put sales amount. So now it's showing the total sales amount. And if we were to click on one specifically, let's say this block, this will update accordingly. Double click to get it back. You could change this to an average. And this is the benefit of the dimensional model. We have all these measures by themselves, and everything is joined well together. So we could do sales amount, we could do, unit price, tax amount. Let's do tax amount. Let's make a new one. Tax amount, make another one. Unit price. You can build this out however you want. I'm not going to get much more further along than this at this point. Just want to show you how this would work. So again, we can. So let's just do the average for each of these. And you can imagine all of the different things you could do here, the different types of visualizations, the different types of aggregates. You can create calculated fields on top of it. And really, it's really up to your imagination in terms of what you want to do. And I'll likely make some more videos specifically on Power BI and the different things you can do. But for the sake of this demo, this is really all I wanted to show you. How you connect to your data source, make some visualizations, see the columns, and just get started. Thanks for watching.